Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring Lynx is installed and accessible in your path. Once done, open your terminal and launch Lynx with a URL. You will immediately see text-only content. Use the up and down arrows to move through links and enter to follow one. Make sure to note that keyboard navigation replaces mouse actions, so focus on link numbers and headings. If a site requires forms, tab moves between fields, type values and press enter to submit. Once you've loaded a page, practice navigation. Press the right arrow to follow a link and left arrow to return to the previous page. You can jump directly to any URL with G and use / to search text on the current page, type a term and press enter. Forms work via keyboard entry, tab moves fields, space toggles checkboxes, and enter submits. Make sure to note the status line for errors, and remember bookmarks can be saved for frequent pages. To finish setup and handle files, open Options with O to change display, cookies, and proxy settings. Once saved, restart the session if needed. When you find a file to download, press D on the link and confirm the save path. Make sure permissions allow writing to that folder. If a page looks broken, try link source URL to fetch raw HTML or set a different user agent in Options, because some sites serve trimmed content to text browsers. One tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.